Hello and welcome. Today I am working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas from Michaels. Of course, don't get my canvases from anywhere else, and they have a really good canvas sale going on this week. So if you are near a Michaels or you shop online, I highly recommend checking that out. The canvas sale is buy one, get two free. And no, this video is not sponsored. Just want to put that out there. For this acrylic painting, I just want to use up some of the colors that I already have mixed up and left over from previous pours so they don't get moldy. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I don't really have a fluid art technique, but I just want to layer my colors here in the center and then use my air puffer tool to blow them out. I do want to create something a little bit more minimalistic with just these four colors on the white base. So that's just my main goal for this acrylic painting today. So I'm going to stop talking now. I'll let you enjoy this video and talk to you again during the wet result. Oh, is she a beauty? Oh, yes, she is. I love the cells. I love the color combination. I also love that the cells aren't overpowering, but I definitely got some really cool and unique looking cells throughout the painting. So I'm really excited about that. There are some multicolor ones there. Very, very pretty color combination. And I want to try this again with the air puffer tool. Maybe use a little less paint in the center so I can keep this more centralized, and a little bit more paint on the base so I can stretch it out as much as I want to get my desired composition. So here is the dried results. And as you can see, I'm outside, so you know the weather is nice today. Look at how she dried. Just gorgeous. Just beautiful. I love the color combination. I don't know which way I like the composition. It's just really one of those you can really put either way. But I like to show it every way. Oh, this is pretty. And let's show it this way. Oh, that's pretty too. But she's dry and ready for varnishing. Thank you for watching.